The local property tax was introduced into Ireland in 2013, and it was the first time in nearly 4 decades that people in Ireland had been required to pay a tax on their homes. It met a huge amount of political and public opposition at the time, and its introduction notably went against some pre election promises made by Fine Gael and Labour TDs, which annoyed people even more. The rate of tax is based on the self declared value of your home and is paid directly to revenue. Then, at least 80% of the funds collected go back into your local authority to help fund vital services. The remaining 20% is redistributed to other local authorities with a lower tax base due to the variance in property prices across the country. This essentially means that the tax you pay is used to help maintain and improve your own area. The tax is calculated based on bands, which we'll show on screen now. You estimate the value of your own property, and whatever band it falls in, that's the rate of tax you pay. Each local authority also has the ability to increase or decrease the rate by up to 15%, and that's voted on by your local representatives. So, for example, South Dublin County Council decreases its rate by 15%. This means if you have a property here valued at 380,000, the local property tax would normally be €405, but with the 15% reduction, you'd pay €344 or just under €29 per month. You can pay your local property tax in one lump sum, pay monthly via direct debit, or you can have it deducted at source through your salary, pension, or social welfare payments. Shortly after the introduction of the local property tax, further legislation was introduced to enable revenue to collect the tax at source for anybody who had not self declared. So, if you think you've been getting away with it up until now, you might want to check your payslip because you could be in for a bit of a surprise. Whether you agree with it or disagree with it, the local property tax is here to stay. So it's vital that when you're buying a property, you know what the rate of tax is so that you can account for it when you're budgeting your monthly costs and expenses. You can calculate the rate you'll pay on revenue.ie, or even better, when you get a home hunter report, we'll do that piece for you. The local property tax rate is one of just 25 pages of information we'll collect on the property so that you can make an informed decision and buy with confidence. To get a home hunter report, just go to homehunterreport.ie and enter the air code to get started.